In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Search Filter in Google Chrome browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust Google's Safe Search so your results are filtered the way you want. Whether you're setting up a family device, working in a classroom, or just want a cleaner search experience. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to google.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar and press enter. This takes you to the main Google search page where we'll make the change. Look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. If you're signed in, you'll see your picture or initial. If you're not signed in, you might see a generic icon. Being signed in helps apply the setting across devices where you use the same account, which is handy if you switch between a laptop and a phone. From the menu that appears, choose More Settings, the one with the little gear icon. This is the quickest way to reach search-specific preferences without digging through the browser's menus. A new page will open with Google's search settings, and you'll land right where you need to be, the Safe Search section. Safe Search is Google's built-in tool that controls how explicit content is handled in your results. It affects things like web, image, and video results when you search on Google and Chrome. Click Safe Search to open the filter options. You'll now see three choices that give you different levels of control. Filter is the most protective setting. It helps filter out explicit images, text, and links from your results, which is great for young users or shared devices. Blur is a balanced option. It blurs explicit images, but explicit text and links may still appear, so you'll get some protection without removing as much content. Off shows all results, even if they're explicit. This is for adults who want unrestricted results and understand what that entails. Pick the option that fits your needs. Changes generally save automatically, so there's nothing else to click. If you already have a results page open, refresh it to apply your new setting. If your account is managed by a school or workplace, you might see that some options are locked by your administrator, and that's normal. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Safe Search applies to Google Search while you're using Chrome, and if you're signed in, it carries over to other devices with the same account. You can come back to this page anytime to adjust your choice as your needs change. That's it. You've turned on and customized Google's search filter in Chrome. Thanks for watching and happy searching.